Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. Just standing out here on this gorgeous Tuesday morning. After the snowfall, it's still pretty windy. The snow has quit. It's kind of partly cloudy. About 25 degrees. I'm gonna come out and get the car started. I don't think I'm going anywhere. It don't look like they've plowed the roads or anything, so I'm just going to get them all thawed off and warmed up, and I'll show you guys around here how much snow we got. Here's some of the drifts on my front steps. There's old Blue, the Buick. I put the wipers up so they wouldn't freeze down. It's still pretty windy, but the snow has settled down quite a bit. This is my front porch here. I'm going to sweep some of the snow off, and I thought maybe since they called school off that there would be some kids out scooping snow to earn money, but evidently they don't do that around here anymore. But yeah, I'm going to sweep some of my steps off here and at least get a pathway and get the car started. And it's supposed to be up into the upper 30s, low 40s today, so maybe some of the snow will melt. Get ready for the next round on, I believe it's Saturday or Sunday. We're supposed to have another storm come in, and more cold weather. I think the low Sunday night I seen was 1 below zero, so gonna get prepared for the colder weather and make sure that everything is taken care of there. And then next week is when the real cold air is going to come down, so we're going to have a couple weeks of colder weather, and then hopefully that'll be all past us and we'll start moderating again. So it's winter time. This is still good compared to what I grew up with in Iowa, so we'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Hey everybody, just wanted to take you out for a short little trip. The winter storm is here. It is really coming down. Just wanted to take you out and get a little video of this. Of course, this is in tomorrow's video. I'm filming it. This is actually Monday night. It'll be in my Tuesday video here because I already uploaded my Monday video. But yeah, it is really starting to come down. The temperature is down to 33 degrees right now, so it's at that temperature where it could really snow a lot. They're still only saying 1 to 4, but I'm telling you, if it snowed like this all night, we would end up with more than 4 inches. I actually got the GoPro set up at home on the porch, actually filming some too, so. But yeah, it is really coming down. The ground is already white, and it only started snowing 10 or 15 minutes ago. Yeah, once it moved in in a hurry. I love it. I don't want to see anybody get stuck in a blizzard or anything, but it's been a long time since I've been in a blizzard. I don't want it all the time. It's still not a blizzard like I went through in Iowa. But one thing different between a blizzard right now here in Oklahoma and when I was in Iowa is here in Oklahoma, I can choose to stay in the house. I don't have to get up and go to work, and and get out in it if I don't want to. I got everything in the house I need right now to last for a while. So it's not like I really need to go out in it. I just wanted to go out here tonight and get you guys some video of this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm just kind of like a kid in a candy store right now, because it's been a long time since I've actually driven in the snow like this. I mean, I've driven in the snow since I've been here, but yeah, I just wanted to get you guys this clip. Hope you guys enjoy it. I might get some more when I head back home. I'm gonna go get me a something for dinner here. I'll probably just get me a burger to go home with and call it a night, and we'll talk to you in a little bit. Yeah, it's really coming down. Like I said earlier, the roads are starting to slush up and get slick, so I have a feeling travel's going to be stopped here real soon. I would say if you don't have to be out in this, don't be out in it, and I'm not going to be out in it in about 2 more minutes. Yeah, I haven't had to do this. Well, I don't have to do it now. I'm just doing it because I wanted to get you guys a video of this, and yeah, it's pretty wild. But I used to drive this in the wintertime all the time in Iowa, and we just kind of got used to it. But I haven't had to be out in this like this for a long time. I mean, it's not that bad that you can't get anywhere if you need to. You just got to be careful. and don't overdrive the conditions that we're in. And unfortunately, I'm not so much worried about my driving. It's the people that think, especially in four-wheel drive, people think I got four-wheel drive, I can go like crazy. Well, you can go like crazy, but if you have to stop, I don't care if you have eight-wheel drive, you're not stopping. So people forget that, and I don't know how people, I know how people drive here when it's nice out. I don't know what they drive like when it's nasty out, so I'm just going to park the car in the driveway and I'm going to leave it set there because I don't need to go anywhere. And I don't think it's going to ice up on the line, so we shouldn't, unless a tree branch or something falls down or somebody crashes into a power pole. I'm not too worried about losing electricity. I seen on the YouTube earlier that people down in the southeast are getting some tornadoes and severe weather, so keep them in your prayers. This is a big low pressure system. Powell Ponder Weather said this is kind of unheard of as far as these big low pressure systems like this. So yeah, just wanted to get you guys this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just about home here. I'm gonna pull in here and I'm gonna park the car and I'm gonna just call it a night, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow morning when I get up. And we'll take it from there. So God bless you guys. I love you. We'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, I'm just going to take old Blue around the block once. I got it in 4-wheel drive. Just want to see what the roads look like here. I'm not going to go too far. They haven't been plowed at all. But I'm just going to go around the block here and see what it looks like. Tristan called me earlier and said if I get out, come and get him, but yeah, I don't see any reason to get out in this and just cause traffic when I really don't need to be out there. So I'm just going to do around the block here. Go park the pickup. It's getting good and warmed up, and the Buick is still running also, so yeah, the roads are not good, that's for sure. They're really slick. The snow kind of melted last night when it was coming down, and then it froze. It's frozen underneath, and then the snow's over the top again. So it's pretty slick out here. I'm not going fast at all. I'm only doing about 6 miles an hour. I mean, I could go faster, but I'm not in a hurry by any means. So. People that had to get out in it are in it. I seen the trash men were out already this morning, so they're doing their route. They did call school off today. But the pickup is starting to get warmed up now, so that's a good thing. Trash guys right here. Yeah, I don't think I really need to go anywhere. I know I don't need anything from the store. I did that all yesterday. So I think I'm just gonna stay in the house and stay where it's warm. Let Mother Nature do her thing here. And we'll get you guys what we can for video today. Yeah, we're just gonna stay home, I believe, and where it's safe and warm. So God bless you guys. I love you. Well, talk to you later.
boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la.
Hey everybody, hope you had a wonderful Tuesday. I didn't get a whole lot done today. We didn't get out of the house much at all because the roads were still pretty nasty. They're thawing off pretty good tomorrow or tonight now. It's supposed to be in the 50s tomorrow, so they should be good again tomorrow. We can get out and do some stuff tomorrow, I hope. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of all the snow that we got here in Woodward. We just got to get through the next couple of weeks. Winter's here, and we can't change Mother Nature. Sunday we got another storm coming through. I believe it was Sunday. And then it's got more cold air with it. It's not even the coldest, but it's supposed to be single digits for lows. Actually, I think Sunday night was 1 below zero and highs in the teens. And then we'll get another little break, and then I believe next week, Wednesday or Thursday, is when the third of the 3 storms is coming through. And it's bringing a lot of cold air. They said we could be 30 below average, 30 degrees below average. So, and we'll probably see below zero or right at zero for highs, and then it'll be below zero at nights. But then it's supposed to move out of here pretty fast. And then, well, it's kind of far out, but they don't know out beyond that. But we get through these next 2 weeks here, and hopefully we'll get back into a little more moderate weather. But yeah, it's January, and this big Canadian, our Arctic cold front is heading south. They're already getting it up in the northern states, and they got actually a lot of snow up in that area last night and today. And it's just there's a lot of weather going on with tornadoes, thunderstorms. You guys know, I'm sure you guys have been keeping up with it. But anyway, I hope you all are safe, stay warm. I pray that everybody is feeling better. I definitely am, other than I'm still short-winded, but I'll just work through that. It'll take a while, I'm sure. But like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Make this world a better place. keep moving toward them goals, one step at a time. There's no such thing as a failure. You might not succeed at your goal, but you tried, and that's not a failure in my books. Follow your heart. Follow your gut. If your gut and heart say, I shouldn't be doing this, you probably shouldn't be doing it. So, and be nice, be kind, just be a good person. I know we all have days where we don't feel like, oh, I don't need to be a nice guy, but if you're nice to somebody, it makes you feel better, it makes them feel better. It's just a good thing. So God bless you guys. I love you. And hopefully we'll get something good for you tomorrow. We'll talk to you later.